My name is Angela Givens, and this is my Module 9 reflection for Introduction to Instructional Technology. This week we discussed assistive technologies and how they can be found in the classrooms. Assistive technologies are devices that are used for students with disabilities to allow them to participate and be a part of the mainstream classroom. The past experiences I've had with these technologies was an interactive app that was used on an iPad and it had a visual timer on it. This was for a student who had extreme anxiety and ADHD issues. This tool allowed us to let him see what task we are currently working on and how much time was left, as well as an indicator of what would be coming up next. This helped him really focus on the task at hand without causing much concern for what was going to be coming next. So it really helped him a lot when we used it. Out of the ones that we studied, I thought the most interesting was the Dynavox. I really liked the unique features on it, and I really thought it was outstanding in a situation where you think communication would no longer be possible to have such a device that would allow that to continue. I just thought was inspiring and amazing. Three of the six applications of assistive technology. The first one I have was communication. An example of this would be a microphone used for students who may be hard of hearing. This would allow them to hear what the instructor is saying without the instructor really disrupting other students by speaking louder than normally or having to specifically speak directly to that one student. The next one was mobility. An example of this that I found was a computer mouse that's actually the shape of a ball. So for students that cannot form their hand around the normal computer mouse, they have this ball that lets limited mobility still use the mouse and the cursor where they need it. The final one is environmental interaction. And an example of this would be a voice recorder. If you have a student who has trouble keeping up during like a lecture course, a voice recorder would allow them to record that lecture and then maybe take it home or to a study hall or a special education classroom and use their time to go back and rewind it and get the information that they might have missed. Um, an additional assistive technology I found was a reading guide. And what this is a thin strip of colored material that allows you to read one text at a time when reading a book, one line of text. And it blocks out the surrounding text so that you don't get distracted or confused. These can be purchased online, or they could even be made, on your own using a piece of construction paper and cutting the center of it out. So I think that would be a great tool to use with younger students, maybe as they're just learning to read, or anybody who has issues um, missing lines, that kind of thing, when doing their reading. So I really thought this was an informative week, and I'm looking forward to next time. Thank you so much. Bye bye.